What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Jaguar XF remote key fob. This Jaguar XF key fob is going to work on the 2021 and 2022 Jaguar XF, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will slide out like that. Now taking a look at the bottom of the key, we see there's these two black tabs right here. What I'm going to do is take my key and put it in between those two tabs like that. Then just kind of twist the key a little bit, and you can see it starts to pop this back cover up. Then I'll come over here in the corner like this and get my key under that back cover and just keep kind of working my way over, prying it up. Once we get that back cover off, we can see our battery right here, and this battery will just slide out of the holder like that. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. That battery will just slide into that clip like that, and then we can snap our back cover on. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.